Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. It literally depends with the place where you're watching me from. On today's video, I'm in actually this place. I'm shooting this video at this place. Don't think that I'm at the yard. No, this is the garage over here. I just brought it's on Saturday, day 2. I just brought our machine for service. Yeah, so it has been doing some stuff up and down, running some errands, and you know, as usual, even human being, you need to rest and make yourself clean, make yourself everything. And also, if you want for your machine to last long, you always want to do what is necessary: maintenance, maintaining of it, servicing it. So that's how we are doing it. I'm actually at this garage. It's not a car yard. Maybe people will be like, "Hey, Claude, are you going to buy a car?" No, just brought up to do some service over here. And also, on the other hand, I just saw it's good for me to start this video from this side. So good morning, good afternoon, good evening. It really depends on the place you're watching us from. Make sure to subscribe, like, share, and leave us a comment. It's a humble plea that if you subscribe today, we'll be also heading step by step, slowly by slowly. Share also this video with maybe 1 or 2 of your friends or relatives, and tell that there's one guy in Africa who really pushes so much about village life, about charity, about showcasing Africa, showcasing different parts of the world, and also, yeah, sharing with you what is really on this other side. So today I'm going to do something that called buying some nets for the orphanage kids. And I saw it's very good for me to start this video from this side, because also there's a lot to be needed that are needed in the orphanage. First thing first, we need what we call like mattress covers. Secondly, dorm to be made, beds to be made, and that one is not only I can do it on my own, but as all we unite together, all YouTubers are called for this, and also you as well wishers and donors, you're all welcome. You can send money to anybody who you trust, because that's what I always say. You know, you can also donate to anybody who you trust that will deliver the money, and the money will be delivered. And also just mention, okay, we need this to be done, and that's how it will be. And also with an aid of Pastor Esther. We don't want to forget her, because she's the mother of that home, and we have to always advise her, or she always has to be included in each and everything that we do, so that she can be able to advise us where necessary. Because with me, I cannot come in this garage and say, I want to park this car here, and already this guy has already parked this car here. So we need also to consult with the owner of this place, and maybe park your car. So that's why I always do my, whatever you send me, I always get some advice from her. Okay, mom, I've come with this kind of money, or I've been sent, we do the plaster, or I've been sent to do this. What do you think? Should we start with this or end with this? So when she come close and say, okay, we start with this and then we finish with this, that's how we always go systematically. Like when she told me, okay, Claude, we cannot plaster these other rooms because they're incomplete, so start with the one which is complete, then finish onwards that you go with the others. That's what I did. So let's put that aside. We are here, and I also saw another good job well done on this side. There's a guy who really makes what we call like leather seats. The leather seats for the cars around here, and I was like, wow, it's a good idea for me. Fundi, habari yako? Uko salama? Salimia watu. Uko salama? Uko hi. So guys, kazi tu. Niwaoneshe kitambaa. Kuna kitu nataka waangalie. So this is a kind of leather, right? It's kind of leather. So this one a plastic one that if you do for mattress covers, they wanna be better. And also, what's your name, Fundi? And maybe you can tell them your number, so that if maybe anyone who's willing to make car seats like this, or maybe mattress covers, because he did one of the mattress covers for Bibi, and he's just a very genuine guy. Yeah, Fundi, talk to them, tell them your name.
My name's Julius.
Julius?
Cushion maker.
Yes.
From Hispania.
Hispania.
Yes.
Yeah, so how long for this work? How long have you been doing this work?
This is an experience of 25 years.
25 years.
Yeah.
So maybe you can show us inside what you're doing here. Okay. Amefunga.
Vehicle repair.
Okay, vehicle repair, yeah.
Interior.
Yes.
We are dealing with sheets.
Yes.
Carpeting.
Carpeting.
And if you like roofing,
yes,
you can do it.
On this roofing of the. Yeah. Oh wow! Show us what you're doing inside here. Yeah.
Yeah.
Let us see, guys, what he's doing. So this car has been demolished everything. So he's trying to cover this one. Let me show you from here. Okay, so they're trying to cover everything in, and this is what you see. Wow. So hiki cover hivi na cover hadi chini.
Yes.
Oh wow. All the way. Oh, the seats are outside. Let me share with you. And there's a boy, Mura. Say hi. Hi, yeah. Hey, boys are really hustling here, man. So these are the car seats that he's trying to cover them well, but they look nice and comfy. So this guy wants to protect them, and the way they protect them is using these covers. You know, they are very, very nice. So guys, you can also suggest, it's just my suggestion for this, but I also need your suggestion. Like, what do you think if we create such kind of mattress covers? Because most of the mattresses there at the orphanage, they are 3.5 by 6, because a bed is always 6 feet. So we can create some bed covers like this, and it will be better. So we can even create 20 of them or 10 of them. It's just a suggestion. Let me know in the comment section what you think about that. Then you can also choose the color, if we want black, or if you want this how do you call this, is brown or if we need red or blue. So it really depends with the material. And this one will be done over here. Actually, it's on this other end. We have some advocates building on the other side. Let me share with you over there. So yeah, so from here CJ is going to the market, and I want to go check on the nets. Then we'll be delivering the nets. So this video, it was the continuation of the nets. So we started again buying the nets with things that are very necessary. So very, very, very necessary and basic ones. So like nets, we're going to buy them, and that was one of the donors who really said, okay, we can come to a halt a little bit for the house, and we do one thing first. May Almighty God bless you abundantly for your good work. So also I'm just requesting for this, just to share with you what's happening over here, and it's a really good idea from this. Let me know in the comment section what you think, with an aid of everyone. You know, you can even send maybe any person who you really feel like is trusted, for us to bring this to happen, the dream to happen. So I'll be taking you to the market, and we will be sharing with you what's happening. So thank you so much, guys. You're all welcome. Let's do this for the kids, not only for Claude's interest. It's not for my interest. It's not for Pastor's interest. It's not for anyone's interest, but just for the sake of the kids. They don't have any place to go rather than being in the orphanage. As I told you the other day, the government brought a boy who was like 9 to 10 years, and they just brought him there with only one cloth that he was putting on. So that was another burden to Pastor Esther to take over, give him clothes, food, and everything. So yeah, so let's try and see slowly by slowly, and we might check on what's happening. Hey, more wiring, new wiring on this new car, and there's something. Servicing is still ongoing, and we are appreciating. Everybody is hustling. Yeah, so let's head to town, and we are actually at the Sirari border town. This is the most famous place because most of the kids come from Tanzania, and this is the most high border that really have what we call, like, some kids come when they don't know where to go and where they come from. They don't know their parents, they don't know their country, and they're all taken to Pastor Asa's place. So please also let us be together, let us work together and check on how stuff. Alright guys, bye. So guys, we are in town, and just came from the garage, and now I'm heading to the other side because this time is the best time to do some purchase. That's our police station from the other side, and now we are heading. This is our border town. This is our beautiful town where we usually do what we call like shopping and everything. Look at this guy. What's wrong with this guy? So, standing in the midst of the road. You know the people who cause accidents and they start rushing. Oh, you have knocked me down. Oh, and he's at the midst of the road. Best end. Ooh. La vida est juice. Yeah, guys. The sun is on this other end. You know? So we are really heading to town. That is Sirari. And people are not joking with their beautiful houses and everything around. Let's go do some purchase of nets, mosquito nets, and we see what's going on. Right. And I feel, what the hell? What is this guy doing, man? Forgot the road. So in a few meters, so in a few meters from here, just right there, it's Tanzania. Right there. That's Tanzania for you guys. Just crossing. That's the what we call like the border, the migration area. You know, just over here. Show you. Look, even this is Tanzanian number plate. They are mixed up. Right in front of us. And hey. So this is the best area where they always come to do buying in wholesale and bulk. You know, today is a market day. That's why you see a lot of people doing suitcases, selling stuff, basins, chair, plastic chairs. You know, some are vending things on their heads. You know, if you want to do the better purchase, it's very early in the morning or at the evening time, where now everybody wants to do blender. You know. All right, guys, let's look for a better shop where we can purchase the mosquito nets. You know. All right. Up and bell up. Up, yeah. So guys, I just arrived. They also sell mattresses. This is where they always buy mattresses. So I'm in here, and is it good morning? I'm a good evening. Yeah. Like you're over. Ama ni mkono wangu ndo chafu.
Si hata pinka huyu sasa ndio mchafu zaidi.
Haya basi got. So guys, we are here. You know, sometimes you have to, you know, with the customers around here. Tafuta neti. Natafuta neti. Neti. This is I'm looking for the net. Letter is nini. This is for the school kids. Where we only have this color. Kuna rangi peke yake. Bring white we see. Yeah, but white actually sometimes. Maybe I should do a call. Then we know how we will balance. So these ones, let me show you how they look like. Naruhusiwa hata ni kusafi? Let me check how they look like. This is a 3.5 by 6, sindio? 3.5 by 6. Oh, but I have just first to do a call, then we see how it will be. Because variety ingine, kuna variety ingine. Hata zile kama this one is different than this. This one is for the house. Hey, this one is for the house. Ni kubwa. Haya, what they say nene, which means it's big. So, but for the school kids, it's this one. Yeah, so let me see, because also their beds are 3.5 by 6. Right, let me do a confirmation first, then we see. If they really love white, if they really love what we call like white. How much per one? Ka discount come in 350. Eh bwana, kata ka discount nachukua nyingi. Hata katere hata katere 45, hata katere 30, katere 20. Hi. I just said 330. That is 330. So for this one, so let's try and see how it will be, and then we do the confirmation, and then we see how many we can purchase. Then we should do that to secure the kids so that they don't have malaria. You know, this one is so protected from malaria. Wasifanye nini? Wasingatwe na nini? Alright guys, they always have also good varieties of kids toys and suitcases. Oh my god. And hizi nakuwaga neti for the kids ama? This is 4x6, 5x6. How much is the price of this? 1300. Oh 1300. Hizi nakaa niliweza kusimamisha. Four stand is two stand. Yeah. But now in the orphanage, if we put them two stand, it will just minimize the space. So better this, they hang them. In ile kuhang toka juu. So it will hang like this. All right. Let's try and see. So maybe one day when we will be done with some stuff, because I told you guys that kids really needs a lot. There's some mattresses over here that are being sold, and also you see those metal boxes over there. Maybe my prayer is after we are done with everything, maybe when the new dormitory they will be there, every kid can be having maybe a small metal box like that one. They'll be painted maybe in blue or in other color of your likeliness, and everything will be really much okay. But for now, let us wait. We see they have said we choose blue, so we're waiting for them to do the delivery of more mattresses, and we should see not more mattresses but no more mosquito nets. So we are going to take 50 mosquito nets. That is 3.5 by 6, because every bed is always 6 feet. So let's wait and see, and we check on how everything will be. Mama Koi, count the nets. Hey, what's wrong with the kid, Bamuri? Yeah, guys, we have this, and each bale consists of, let me count how many nets we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we need now 10 of these bales. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And Mama Koi, where is Mama Koi? I think she's going to add us even 2 of them so that we can. This is not for school or maybe for me. Mama Koi, did you promise to add us even 2 for the boys? Nisa. Hey, thank you so much. God bless you. Shika mkono. God bless you, guys. She promised to. Yeah. Okay. She promised to add us 2 nets for the boys. She have added us this for free because also she has donated this to the orphanage. God bless you, ma'am. Yes, God bless you abundantly. Actually, I told her we are taking this to the orphanage, and she said I'm adding 2 of them. So she has added us 2 of the nets. So we have 52 in total. So yeah, let us pay, and we see how everything is. Mom, you want to say anything? Jose sema. Ongea bwana. Say something, bro. Well, okay. Ndio kwa dagara wa TV. Sawa. Haya. Zali. Uga. Wewe. Uga Gikoyo. Haya. Ule amejificha kweli kweli. Why are you hiding? People usually fear cameras, but it's okay. Sema tu. You can say something maybe to the orphanage to encourage the kids there. Haya, sawa mom. Haya. Umekula kilea? Sawa. She says we could have prepared her because we just ambushed her over here. So it's okay. Sometimes fanyia package. Now you said one cost 350 but you have done 330. Okay. So we have to do that for the receipts. For the receipt. Murumi haribu pikipiki. Haribu nduthi. Yeah, so let's see and we'll see how it's going. Yeah. See guys. 11. Yeah, that's how we do it, guys. And then you cut the receipts. No forging. And every receipt has its number. So if you can come and confirm, hey, this receipt is what you bought, and this is the receipt number. So I go with the original. She remains with the booklet one. You know? Yeah. That's how it is. Package mzuri bwana. Yeah. Once I had somebody say that we are printing our own receipts. So you can come and find this, that the receipt number is 1805 and this is how it is, the date, and this is the company or the shop over here. It's located in Isibania. They have their mobile number. You can call them directly and confirm how much you have bought this. Yeah, so anyway, they are just packing on this, and yeah, we have remained with a change of 5,150, so out of 21,670, and we will see how everything is. Maybe, yeah, those are the two one, then the dongezo, white and one blue. Yeah guys, so we are really appreciating this, and you can come shop with us over here. Yeah, let me keep the receipts. You need to help me. I carry this just like that. And I wanna do the mat and see how it is going. So on 11, date is 11/10/2025. Place Noah's boat and member Claude. So boat. We bought 50 nets, 50 mosquito nets, each 330, times 50 equals to 16,500. So balance, we do like 21,670 minus 16,500. So we remain with 5,000. How much are we remaining with, bro? 5,000. Let me see. 5,150. A little bit. Then you confirm the my 70 cash. So on this date we have spent 16,500 and we have remained with 5,170. So with that also you'll see the allocation of it, and the receipts also, it should be kept well. Okay, just like that. Our package is ready, very ready. Mama, that's how she got. So we have remained with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Imekuwa sawa mama, hiyo pesa nyingi imepita.
Acha nirudi tena nimsubirie.
Ini? 6. Yangu ifanye sawa, usiwache sababu 1, 2, 3, 4. Yangu iko sawa. Iko very much okay. Very much okay. Yangu iko sawa. Very much okay. Haina shida. Yangu iko very much sawa. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 170. Which is this one. I'll remain with this, guys. So 5,000. 170. So our package is here, and that's how it is. This we are done it with this. So 50 nets. So we're waiting for maybe bed covers or mattress covers on beds, and we will be. But for now, I think today the boys will be sleeping on this. Mama san. Hey. Achukua namba. Okay, cut. So, alright guys, so we are leaving, and the bed is so big. Okay. Yeah. So guys, we are leaving, and these are the metallic boxes that are being made here. Okay. Very life in Africa. Amazing and great. So, pole Mugendi. Yeah. Everyone is selling mattresses, everything, boot capes, and some stuff around, sodas. It's a small market over here. So our nets are here. That's how you see it here. There's some long vehicles. Now we are heading. Oh la la. Very nice. Border town. Now we are heading back. And they are building up the mosque. Then I proceed. So for now, what was available is the motorbike that has been done. It does already have a very good service, so I'm going to take the car from the garage. Then we'll be heading back to the orphanage. You know. My guys, it's evening time, and I'm doing what you call like delivery. I'm driving downwards to the orphanage. So yeah, it's evening time. Just came now from the garage. So I'm really heading back to the orphanage. I want to do some delivery of the mosquito nets, so that this evening kids will sleep on what we call like inside the mosquito net, you know. So I'm always grateful for each and every subscriber who makes this happen, and to all donors, may Almighty God bless you abundantly, and may your pockets never lack. Where you always take it from, may God bless you and expand your pockets bigger and bigger, so that you can have this third eye of looking here, the orphanage, also the kids in Africa. You know, this is how kids carry water here, like us. But those are not orphanage kids. They're just neighbor kids around here. Still, you have a long way to go to the orphanage, you know. So we are heading there, right now. Just driving off roads. These are our roads in Africa. This is how they look like. A lot of potholes. But as long as we know they're just village roads, let's just keep on moving, you know. See you at the orphanage actually, guys, you know. Yeah. Village life. This is an hospital over here. It's an hospital. It's a dispensary, not even a hospital. A dispensary. And we are just proceeding slowly as we are moving. That's how you see how we are doing this, guys. This is how things we're doing it. Look how green this area is. Oh, I don't know what's happening. My system, brake system, it's moving. Let's keep on moving. Slowly. Yay! And the orphanage is just right in front of us. You know. Yeah, just like that. This area is a terrain, so the orphanage is just right there. That's the orphanage. You know, it's visible from this end. So let's go slowly, guys. Easy up to the orphanage. That's rumba. Guys, sometimes I have to break the bottom, just dancing a little bit. So we arrived, and just right now we are here. We are here now, guys. Noah's boat. Yeah, kids are opening. Wow, they're very happy whenever they see a car. Very happy, very excited. So we are heading slowly by slowly. So check what's happening. Yeah, the lights are lighting. For those who say that the lights are not working, see, like that it's working. There's also another one on top. We are here. We are actually at the orphanage, and with me, I want to take a picture of the kids because sometimes there's some things going on. So just come to check on the project, Mama. Unaona venye inawaka. Yeah, and I'm here with Pastor Esther. Yeah, at least I can see the smile in her. Yes, the voice is coming out well.
And I thank God.
Yes.
Yeah, it's amazing.
It's amazing.
Yeah, you know.
Yeah, so
God wants to teach you something.
Yes.
Sometimes He must put you down.
Yes.
You can be even sick.
Absolutely.
To hear the voice of
God. To hear the voice of God. Yeah. It's only that my phone. Will you use your phone a little bit, Mom, to mulika for me? Yeah, so that I can show them how the work was going on, because you can hear the echo. Osha mwaga maji. Mom is saying that they have already poured water, which is a very good sign of help. Yeah. Oh my God. Your phone. No, it's this way. Let me show you. Then it's showing. So it's a light. Yeah, so you press it like this. Yeah. So guys, they put sand, which means if you put sand and then you pour water, the sand retains the water. So tomorrow, Mom, make sure they pour even 10 buckets of water. Okay. I know there's scarcity of water in this home, but pour even 10.
Like today,
so yeah,
they poured more than 10.
More than 10.
Because there was no other job.
No other job, yeah.
They were just they were enjoying.
They were pouring water. Yeah, so time. Actually the flow, if
they did 3 times.
If you want it to be very strong, they pour water for this week, and then we want to see how stuff are going, Mom. Mm-hmm. Okay, yeah, guys. So I brought some mosquito nets. This is your phone. Yeah, I brought some mosquito nets, and for the remaining balance that I had, I was told because it's because this is on pause a little bit, we can do something else with that money, so that we don't want the money to be stuck on my pocket also. So they told me go buy the what we call like the mosquito nets, and you talked even to the owner, Mama Koi. Mama,
is my best
your
friend.
best friend. So I bought there the mosquito nets.
Okay.
Each was costing 350,
Okay.
but I bargained. She gave me a cost of 330.
She's supporting me.
Yeah,
Also.
she told me that she always come here and cook for the
sure.
kids.
You know me
Yeah,
so many years.
Yeah, so we bought.
Before even we built these houses,
yeah.
we were down there.
She's
She
also a
was
good
still
friend of
coming.
mine because I should do shopping there sometimes.
She's my best friend.
Oh wow.
She know me even everything that I'm passing through.
Yeah, so I bought 50 of them, and then she added 2.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, she said these 2.
God bless
She-
you, Mama Koi.
Yeah.
Oh, Mama Koi, God
Yeah,
bless you so
yeah,
much.
guys. Mama Koi is the one who I went there to buy the nets, mosquito nets, and she was like, "Okay, you're taking to the orphanage. I'm offering 2 also as on top as my support also."
Yeah.
But we're always grateful for each and every donor
Yes.
who donates towards this, and we are very much happy. What can you say towards this, ma'am?
It's just to say thank you for those who have good heart
Yes,
to stand with these kids.
yes,
You know, to give is the heart.
absolutely.
And I really appreciate those who are giving
Yeah.
with a good heart.
With heart,
you know,
yeah.
when they give like that,
Yes.
they are healing
Absolutely.
our hearts.
Correct.
They were healing the situation.
Situation,
Yeah, those are the people we need so much to stand with their
Yeah,
heart.
ma'am.
Those are the people we need even to share with them ideas.
Yes.
And thank you so much, donors who are sending this big help.
Yes.
And please, we need you so much.
And we're
I
promising
really
to work
appreciate
together
for
with
the
everyone.
nets.
Yes.
Thank you so much for sure.
Actually,
I'm so
even the
happy.
receipts is here, ma'am. You know, we need everything. Maybe you can hold this for
Even
me. I leave it-
yesterday, one of my friends from the church gave me 4 of them,
4 nets.
4 nets. I was
You know me,
telling him,
everything I keep the receipts so that maybe in case one day they'll say, "Claude, we never trusted you with our money." I produce.
Yeah.
This is Mama Koi's, so the receipts from her, and it shows 16,500.
Wow.
And then that was the how much money she did it.
yes.
So I have to keep the receipts
Yeah,
so
for
that
sure.
I know each and every single day when maybe ever a donor or any person who wants to say, "Okay, Claude, share with us what you bought and this."
Yeah.
Yeah, so you can just come and check with us over here how many we have. Maybe you can count them, and maybe we'll distribute them to the boys at night,
Yeah, for sure.
and then they can hang it. But I was told, I don't know if they are treated sometimes, so they can open them.
We cannot
Yeah, put them today.
direct.
Yeah, you have to
We
remove.
need to put them under the shade
Yes,
like some hours.
from hours. Yeah, aeration.
Maybe.
Yeah. Mister, tutushikie kidogo. That is Gilberto, guys. This is Gilberto.
Yeah, it's Gilberto Architecture Construction.
Yes.
YouTube name?
Yes.
It's Gilberto Architecture
Gilberto.
Construction.
Yeah, guys.
Let us show you how the things are here.
One of my hookup when the water pump was disturbing, so it really ate my head. Yeah, so we have this, and we can put them somewhere here. We have this, and I see the soldiers are armed.
Yeah, are ready. They are ready at.
There's a bad guy coming at the orphanage.
They started keeping their duty.
Oh, over the night.
Came and they killed
People are evil. They killed my dog too. They poisoned my dog. I thought this only happened at my home. They killed my dog.
Studying our soldiers, and they ate for the night. They brought
Yeah.
the dog was vomiting.
Even mine started vomiting too, and it was
Like a blood.
yes. And then it's smelly. And then the other dog yesterday, the other day, they hit mine over here until the eye is not working well. So I had to strengthen it again. But whoever does that, man, you are. So this is gift from Mama Koi, and then there's this one's in bay. We have this one's in bay. So we have one. This one consists of 10. Yeah, 10. You can count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10. 25, 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 20. Then first count is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 25. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 35. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 40, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 45. Then we have this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 50. And then the other one was the gift. So one you can come at the light here, Gilbert. I don't know if we are visible.
Yeah, no, you are not visible at all. But no.
Mom, you can come in.
Not really visible, but here I can see you.
Basically,
At least.
Yes.
You are at least.
yeah, so guys,
Yes. Okay.
we are here and we have the river nets. There are 15 pieces of nets. So the two one, they are 52 now. The two are gift from Mama Koi, where we bought this. Then the gift to Mama Esther over here.
She's my best friend.
Yes.
Mama.
And thank you so much for all donors. Yeah. Thank you so much for all donors who donated towards this. May Almighty God bless you. And mom, somebody commented that the lights are not working all over the compound. Can you kindly tell us?
It's only one.
Yes. And the one
That's
that's
the middle there.
the remote.
Yeah, and we are going to set them.
Yes.
They were working 3 hours only.
Oh.
Until off.
So set them 8 hours.
Yeah, I'm going to set with you. I tried,
Yes.
but I don't know.
You only
why.
press 8. 8. 8.
Like that one, when you tried to open, it's not.
The remote,
on.
you know, each and every solar
Yeah.
has a remote.
Okay.
So you bring the old this tray one,
Yeah, we
the
need to
300
go
watts,
around,
you can power, because right now they are working.
Yes.
They are all working, but you did them at 3 hours.
Yes.
So you can put 5 or 8 hours.
So we need to put
Yeah.
8 hours.
Yeah, and this one you never control it with the remote. You could have controlled it with the remote because 100 watts is lower compared to the 300 watts and 200 watts.
Yeah.
So it's only power on. It can sustain for 3, 4 hours, 5 hours, then maybe it might go off. But the 300 watts, they go stronger.
Yeah.
Yes.
The only that doing much better.
Yes.
300.
300 watts, yeah.
So if that one,
Yes.
we put another one just down there.
300 watts.
So we make more.
Yeah. More lights, yeah. So guys, we are appreciating for those who are saying that the solar are not working. They are working. At least we should put this inside now, and then you'll be able to go so that I can show them the lights that are working. Yeah. So what's kidogo give back?
Okay.
Hata mo-
No worry.
I know how we.
So guys, let me share with you how the lights are, because somebody said that the lights are not working. Thank God I'm here, and also my phone is almost dying, but I have to share with you. So that's light number 1. That's 300 watts. It actually proclaims right here, 300 watts. You can see it right there. So let's go to another one. The 300 watt is working also. So we have the 200 watts over here. That's the 200 watts. It's writing towards the toilet over here. You can see how they are working. So let's go to another 300 watts. It's down here at the darker side. So this one, it's operating towards the toilet over here. So there's this one also. It's over here because there's some dormitory over here, and at the gate you can see how it's lighting at night, just like that. Over here towards this end, even boys are playing here. So another one is actually over there. There's only this one. This is 100 watts, and they haven't pressed the remote. They haven't pressed the remote so that it can lit up. This one, they have to press the remote so that it can work. Because it's 100 watts. We have another one down here, which also acts to the dormitory. You can see how it's working right there. It's lighting down here. We have another one here. This works very better right here, and it brings light towards this end of the corridor. So for the one who was saying that the lights are not working, please stay back, because you are spreading wrong rumors. Look, this place was so dark, but we have this light. you know, solar light, and it's working majestically, you know. Okay.